Hey everyone! In today's video, we're diving into a powerful, modern tool that many of us have right at our fingertips, ChatGPT. Believe it or not, this AI can be more than just a productivity assistant. It can actually help with your mental health, emotional well-being, and overall happiness. I'm going to share 5 practical ways you can use ChatGPT to enhance your emotional wellness. Let's get started. 1. Journaling partner. First up, ChatGPT can act as your journaling partner. Sometimes, we know we need to express our emotions, but we don't know where to start. Just ask ChatGPT something like, "Can you give me prompts for journaling about gratitude?" Or "Help me process my thoughts about a challenging day." It can help you reflect, explore your feelings, or even guide you through structured prompts like, "What's one thing that brought you joy today? What's a challenge you faced, and how did you handle it?" This helps you create clarity and gives your thoughts the space they need. 2. Mood booster. Next, it's a mood booster. On tough days, ChatGPT can provide uplifting quotes, affirmations, or even ideas to cheer you up. For example, you can ask, "What are some motivational quotes about resilience?" Or "Tell me a funny story or joke." It can also suggest activities to lift your spirits, like creative hobbies or mindfulness exercises. Think of it as a digital cheerleader that's always there for you. 3. Guided relaxation and mindfulness. Another great use is guided relaxation. You can ask ChatGPT to create a custom mindfulness or breathing exercise. For instance, type, "Can you guide me through a 5-minute breathing exercise?" Or write a short meditation script to help me relax. It can tailor exercises based on your needs, whether it's for calming anxiety, improving focus, or just unwinding after a long day. 4. Problem-solving partner. Sometimes, we just need a safe space to process challenges or dilemmas. ChatGPT can help you think through your problems by acting as a non-judgmental sounding board. For example, you can say, "I'm feeling overwhelmed with work. Can you help me break tasks into smaller steps?" Or "How can I approach a difficult conversation with a friend?" It doesn't replace professional advice, but it can help you structure your thoughts and explore solutions. 5. Gratitude and positivity exercises. Finally, ChatGPT can help you build habits around gratitude and positivity. Ask it to create a daily gratitude challenge or prompt you to list 3 things you're grateful for each day. Even better, you can request inspiring stories or examples of kindness to bring a smile to your face. Gratitude is one of the simplest ways to shift your mindset and feel happier, and ChatGPT makes it easy to incorporate into your routine. And there you have it, 5 ways to use ChatGPT to support your mental health, emotional well-being, and happiness. Of course, it's not a substitute for therapy or professional help, but it's a great tool to have in your self-care toolbox. If you've tried any of these, or have other creative ways to use ChatGPT for your wellness, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips to enhance your well-being. Until next time, take care of yourself and keep prioritizing your happiness.